Hi guys, it is Pila here. Today we're gonna be looking for this buy opportunity on US dollar versus Swiss francs. I remember 2 weeks back I told you that the market is going up. If you recall, or if you were to go back to my YouTube videos, you will see where I was talking about this pair, where I said the market will come back here to this level. This is where you're gonna get your entry if you did not get your entry. And based on what you see, I've been explaining this thing before, and it is what is happening when you open your chart 24/7. Now, let's look at this. I said to you guys, whenever I trade support and resistance, I focus on the touches. Should it happen that my support or my resistance is going to be broken, I check what happened before they break the support. And again, I said when I trade support and resistance, I mainly focus on the touches. Should it happen that the support has several touches, I'm not going to buy or sell on that support or on that resistance. Instead, I will wait for the market to break and then I'm going to take a decision after that. Now, I'm on a weekly chart. You can see this is my resistance as the market was going down. They left a resistance there that was broken. They went up to this resistance. They reacted on this breaker structure because of now the market is going where it is going up. As the market was going up, it reacted on the same resistance they created on the left hand side. How many touches we have? Already we have 2 touches. That means the higher the chance that we're going to break when we come back to this level. The market came back down where I said you must be looking for entries if you did not get one. Right. The market decided to go up. If you check or you apply line chart, you will also see a head and shoulder here. Because of I'm on weekly, it's not going to appear as you want to see it or as you know it. This is your left shoulder, this is your head, this is your right shoulder, this is your neckline. The market broke the neckline and went up. Forget about the head and shoulder because of we don't talk about head and shoulder here. If you go to smaller time frame, you have a breaker structure there. Your resistance was broken, it became your support on the right hand side. Now, this broken resistance here, they came back to test it here as they are pushing up. So today I want us to look for more opportunities. If you did not get this opportunity and this one here, we're going to look for another opportunity here. Hence I said we're still pushing the market higher. Now we have a resistant level here that caused the market to come down to test the broken resistance as support. We have more than 2 touches there. The higher the chance we're going to break and go up. Sharp. Let's do our analysis on a higher time frame. Start from 3 months. We want to understand and see what is happening and where the market is headed. Based on what I have here or what I see, this is my support that was broken. Based on the break of that support here, there's nothing that I have here that will cause the market to change the direction on this higher time frame. Therefore, it means we are coming here. Good. Let's then move to monthly. If it is your first time you come across my YouTube channel, do not forget to like and subscribe as well. Now, let's look at this. This is the support. This is the support level. Even though you see this candlestick went back to test something there, you can see where it ended. No problem. But where is the market headed from higher time frame? Same level here. Good. Now, we're going to go up to that level and come back here before we continue with the uptrend. Nevertheless, now let's move to weekly. We want to look for opportunities. Remember, we are not in a position to rush to create opportunities that are not there. Instead, we have to move according to the market structure. We have to move according to the direction of the market. Should it happen that you're going to go against the direction of the market, you'll have a problem. Let's then move to weekly. On weekly time frame, this is what you see. Now, I want you to focus on this downtrend. We have used everything here from here going down. We have used everything. Now our main focus is just on that left-hand side. What is it we have here that will cause the market to change the direction? Let's check. This continuation pattern was tested. This support was also tested here as a resistance. This green candlestick of a continuation pattern came back to test this continuation pattern. It means we have nothing that will cause the market to change the direction. What does that mean? It means we're going to push the market higher. Nothing will stop the market from the left-hand side. All right. We move to daily. Once you give yourself time to analyze the market as I am doing, you'll never have difficulties in the market. This is the resistance that I was talking about on higher time frame. That I said this is your resistant. Focus on 2 touches. It was broken. What happened? Nevertheless, let's go down. You missed many opportunities as the market was going up. Here in the beginning of a new trend, I said you get a supply and demand. If you don't have my ebook, make sure that you get it. This is your entry. You go up with the market. You miss this entry. This is your break of structure. The market came back. You miss many opportunities. Don't worry. You'll get more. Here, you had a trend line that was broken. A continuation pattern was created, of which was this one. It was tested. The market went higher. Now, let's focus on the current trend that we are on daily. Now we are on smaller time frame now. Our main focus should be on what we have. The market just gave us what? Gave us the support here. As the market was going up, a continuation pattern was given to us. As we are given this continuation pattern, the market came back to test the continuation pattern. It went deeper to turn somewhere here yesterday. And then it closed where it closed. Now the market is pushing where it is pushing up from the continuation pattern. That means if you are looking for an entry, your entry is supposed to be here or where the market is, and then your stop loss below the continuation pattern. Basically, your entry was supposed to be yesterday when the market closes, before the market closes, because it went deeper. Now that the market is just not far from the continuation pattern, you can take your entry, your stop loss below. You are still safe. Let's get more information here. Let's go to 4 hour. Let me highlight the continuation pattern. It's the main reason currently for us to take an entry. Let's go to 4 hour. On 4 hour, do I see I have a trend line that was also broken there. It was not tested. The market went deeper to the continuation pattern. Now the market is giving us signs that we are pushing higher. Let's go to smaller time frame just to see what happened. 3 hour. We might get something somewhere here. Let's go down with the time frame. Going for 2 hour chart. On 2 hour chart, I see this continuation pattern was tested here, and the market reacted on the minor support on 2 hour. Let's go to 1 hour. On 1 hour, the market reacted on the support. Hence, you can see the market reacted on the support. It means now, as we're going to be going up, you have this continuation pattern here that will push the market down. Let's say, for instance, you did not get your end right now. What I will advise you to do, you can wait for the market to break above and go to that continuation pattern, and then it will come back here. That's your entry. You go up with the market. It will come back somewhere here. That's how we keep on moving. So whatever that you're going to see here or whatever that's going to happen here, make sure that you're looking for buy opportunities, not unless we have news events. And also, do not approach the market blindly, guys. Do not approach the market blindly. Take your time when you analyze. Do not rush to sell. Do not rush to buy just because of you want to see yourself trading. Enter because of there's a reason. You must be able to explain your entry. If you can't explain your entry, then that means we're going to have a problem. So guys, if there's a pair that you want me to check, make sure that you leave a comment of the pair that you want me to check, or if you have a question, let me know. What is it that you want to ask? The ebook costs 250 rand if you don't have it. Make sure that you follow the trading rules so that you can trade safe.